Welcome to another episode of How'd You Do That? Grafton High School is in a transitional phase of 3D modeling software between SolidWorks and Autodesk Fusion 360. For this LBC session, we won't be designing any 3D models for How'd You Do That. However, we will give you the opportunity to find something for your classes in one of the links we provided in the Canvas modules. Once you're logged into the computer, go to your Canvas dashboard, scroll down to the FabLab 2020 LBC session, left-click, and we'll be focusing on the MakerBot method 3D printer module. You'll see a link to Thingiverse for 3D models. Left-click. The link is at the top to the Thingiverse for 3D models. Thingiverse is a free website for downloads. You can upload things, you can download things. Search Thingiverse. Since there's a lot of people in the science department in our LBC session, I will type in science molecules. And you can see the various molecules that pop up that are ready to go to 3D print. Since we might not want to be specific, or the science department might not want to be specific to stick with a specific model, maybe there's components that might be needed for the classroom. I'll click on the first one, left click. You're going to see that there's multiple thing files in Thingiverse for you to download. Our current state of plastic is orange in the specific 3D printer area that I'm sitting at. If I hit download all files, you'll see that there's files downloading in a countdown. And you'll see in the lower left of your screen the molecule zip folder that's downloading. If I left click on the up arrow and I select open, you'll see the zip file. In the files folder, if I double left click, you'll see the various 12 3D objects that are ready for 3D printing. If you would like to view how they would look, left click. And you'll see the various others and the connectors. Some Thingiverse files also come with a little extras. In this case, there's a few PDFs, and you can see that there's a periodic table of elements. There's also molecules and compounds, PDF, and it looks like a worksheet. Very helpful website. I'm going to close this out. I'm going to minimize my Thingiverse. I'm going to put these atoms on the desktop and the connectors. If I left click, hold the shift key and left click at the bottom, you'll see they're all selected. Click hold with the left mouse button and drag them to your desktop. Minimize. Our 3D object icon is in fact black. The desktop background is black, so they're very difficult to see sometimes. I'm going to drag a small connector in the area of the Blackhawk shield. Just like the keychain that you folks created, you select MakerBot Print by double left click. Currently, the MakerBot is authenticating. I'm going to select the up arrow, and you can see that it is in fact idle, and it's ready to go. I am currently still logged in from my previous session. If not, please log in. And I'm going to take that connector that I downloaded. And I'm going to drag this window just a bit smaller so I can see my connector. Left click, hold, and drag onto the platform, and it's inserting the file. You can see if I wheel towards the screen, there's one of the connectors. If I hit Control C, Control V, as the item's highlighted, you can see it makes another one. You don't have to continuously just create one part. You can make multiple parts. If I hold the Shift key and I select the next one, I hit Control C, Control V, and it gives me two more. And I continue to do that, holding the Shift key, left click, Control C, Control V, and it gives me four more. And you can keep doing that until the platform is filled. And you could do this for a full class. And you're not purchasing molecule connectors or molecules. Just as a reminder, please stay away from this small little shaded box that is that purge area. Once you're complete with how many you would like or end your placement, you select print. It is now initializing, and for 8, I do believe that I put on the platform, it's going to take 40 minutes. And I can hit Start Print. If you have any questions from this How'd You Do That episode, please email or make a comment in the comment section. Thank you.